In the year 2318, Earth was visited by an alien species that used pickles. They used them for everything: transportation, entertainment, food, weapons, sex. At first they seemed cool. But then they started taking our cucumbers. Then our children. No one could stop them. The aliens were pickle people. They were green and slimy, and they smelled like vinegar. They were about the size of a human child, but they had no hair, no eyes, no mouth, and no nose. They had tentacles instead of arms, and they used these to grab onto things. They didn't speak, but they communicated through a series of clicks and whistles. No one knows where they came from. They just appeared one day, floating down from the sky in their pickle ships. At first they were harmless. But then they started taking our cucumbers. Then our children. They used them for their pickle orgies. No one could stop them. The pickle people were ruthless. They destroyed entire cities in their quest for cucumbers. They didn't discriminate. They would take anyone, regardless of age, gender, or race. The only thing that mattered to them was getting their hands on as many cucumbers as possible. Humanity was on the brink of extinction. We had to do something. We had to fight back. We started by attacking their ships. But it was no use. They were too strong. They would just float down from the sky, unharmed. We tried reasoning with them, even though we knew they couldn't understand us. We begged and pleaded with them to stop, but they didn't listen. They just kept coming, and taking our cucumbers, and our children. Then, one day, we found their weakness. They were afraid of water. We started bombarding their ships with water cannons. It worked. They would retreat back into the sky, away from the water. But they always came back. We knew we had to do more. We started a worldwide campaign to get people to stop eating pickles. It was hard, but we did it. We made pickles taboo. We staged protests, and rallies, and marches. We got the attention of the world. And slowly, people started to listen. The pickle people didn't like that. They started getting angry. They started taking more cucumbers, and more children. They started coming after us. They wanted to make us suffer. And they did. They killed our families. They destroyed our homes. They took everything from